Hi, this is Mike Henriksen from Strata Rx in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm here with Fernando. Fernando, how are you
Mesa,
doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
So you're with MarkLogic,
Yes, I am, yes.
and you're here at Strata Rx, a healthcare conference. And what is your role or your company's role in the healthcare space?
I'm the CTO for the enterprise markets, which covers healthcare and life sciences. And MarkLogic is here because we are growing our healthcare and life science unit. We have a number of healthcare and life science customers, and we want to showcase our technology to all of the companies that are looking to see innovative technology.
So give me a little overview of MarkLogic's unique place in the market, because you're a NoSQL enterprise NoSQL database, right?
Absolutely.
So what does that mean?
What it means is that we fall in the category of NoSQL databases, the new trend for software that looks at data differently than the old relational databases used to. So some people say the interest in medical data is not in rows and columns. It's in documents, it's in semantic links and relationships, it's in many other forms. So we're in that space where we look at data differently, we process data differently, we analyze the data differently. Why we are the only enterprise NoSQL database is because even though it's a new space, the NoSQL space, we've been in this business for 10 years. So we've been hardening our software to meet mission critical requirements that enterprises need when they're looking at database systems. So many of the things that the new companies are putting in place, we already had and are putting more things on top of. So when they're looking for things like high availability, being able to do data center distributed environments that require backups and restores.
These are the mission critical.
Yes, exactly, absolutely. So we have customers in financial services, in public sector, in media, and I think the theme that unites them is that they're building mission critical applications on data that falls out of the realm that relational database would.
So does your platform handle unstructured data as well as structured?
Absolutely. So we're able to manage polystructured data, from the unstructured data that we bring in, from the semi-structured data, which could come in the form of XML. Many clinical documents, insurance and otherwise, come in XML, and structured data that could come in the form of rows, but it could also come in the form of facts. And that's where semantic technology drives a lot of value in healthcare and life sciences. So being able to manage that variety of data formats and models, it's what gives us that edge. So companies, instead of having 5 different technologies to solve a problem, they have one, MarkLogic.
Excellent. So Fernando, if there was one problem in this world that you could solve with data, what would that problem be?
There's several, so it's going to be hard to be.
There's only one.
Yes, right. So, the problem when a company has a multitude of information assets, and they're looking to bring them together and connect the dots and leverage each one of them in a way that they have been struggling or have been unable to do so. I think that's where we come in a way that allows them to put it in a way that serves customers and not have to worry that this system might not work when I put it in front of my customers. I think that'll be the one thing.
Now, you on a personal level,
Yes.
If there's one hairy, audacious problem in this world or goal to solve,
Yes.
what is that you would stick data on to solve?
I think the problem of understanding the relationship that exists between assets that are related to the clinical world. I think one of the biggest problems we face is we have these silos of information, build some cohesiveness around it. Being able to understand that the data doesn't always map exactly. So to be able to understand the different nuances and the context in which that data comes in. My personal goal is to be able to use big data technology, semantic technology, and visualization to make a very difficult problem, which is this ugly, hairy data, easy to understand by a business user. I think
Excellent.
yes. Thank you.
So look forward to seeing you at future events.
Thank you. Look
Thank you.
forward to speaking to you guys again. Thank you.